Are you tired of constant distractions while writing? A retro Raspberry Pi writing machine might be the solution for you. In this video, we'll show you how to build one. First, gather the necessary components. A Raspberry Pi, a keyboard, a monitor, and an SD card with a Raspbian operating system installed. Next, connect the keyboard and monitor to the Raspberry Pi and insert the SD card. Power on the device and follow the on-screen instructions to set up Raspbian. Once setup is complete, open the terminal and install a distraction-free writing program such as Focuswriter or PyRoom. Now you're ready to write without distractions. Customize your writing environment to your liking and enjoy a focused writing experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.